When you go to a movie, all there is what you see and what you hear. And so no matter how much work, the great costumes, you know, the great location, whatever it is, the script's amazing, but if you don't have the right music, that can really be a detriment to the film. We're functioning as an emotional layer of communication about the story. So hopefully it's all in sync with the same story that the filmmaker's telling. I'm the curator of the Filmmaker Composer Accelerator program at VIFF. That's just a very long way of saying a workshop about the composer and filmmaker relationship creatively. And we explore the process in samples and loops, and then it goes and becomes something. So this program consists of four filmmakers, and each gets 3 composers, so that's 12 composers. They deliver a clip to us, and the composers work on the clips. But as in a lot of programs, they get one shot at it, and they don't get a chance to do rewrites. What we focus on here is what were the notes, and how can we give better notes to help them deliver something closer to what the filmmaker's looking for. What's really fun is that each filmmaker gets a chance to see 3 different versions of the clip with 3 different composers working on it.
I originally found out I got accepted into the CFA program towards the end of August, and it was a pretty quick turnaround time for me to receive all the materials and just, you know, get to work.
I actually sort of applied a bit last minute, but then I've had friends. There's a great composer as well, Amritha Vas, who was involved with, you know, VIFF, and she did, I think, a couple of seminars last year. So I decided to apply. Didn't think much of it. Then I got the email saying, you know, you're accepted, and it was exciting. It was incredibly exciting.
As soon as I got paired with my filmmaker, we just had a call and talked about, you know, her vision and the sound that she was thinking of, the storyline, so that I knew where I wanted to start approaching it with music. We did 4 remote sessions. Clips were delivered to composers. Then, over the course of those weeks, the composers would present their work on video, and we would watch the clips together as a group and have discussions. It's an immersive program where the teaching comes while we're discussing their work.
Sam. Hey, Jake. You want in?
They got a chance to do rewrites and develop the material. So by the time they got here, it's a pretty amazing thing. You know, they've got all their stuff is ready. It's all ready to go. Tomorrow we have an orchestra.
This entire process has definitely been very surreal for me, just having so many other amazing and talented composers that are also in this cohort, being able to learn from them, get critiques from them, ask them advice on their journey. It's really, really been a fulfilling time.
The filmmaker's going to have the experience of seeing this, you know, it come to life with real instruments, which is incredibly exciting.
Every time you hear the live musicians play your music, that feeling is indescribable, of being able to see how your music is coming to life and how all these people and all these musicians are bringing it to life. I'm really, really thrilled and excited that at the end of our workshop we get to have a live, not only record everything beautifully, but have a live to picture concert. It's going to be amazing because it's very thrilling to have an audience sit there and watch an orchestra play live to picture.